Okay, so I just made this mock-up in Adobe Illustrator, right? Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I just want to kind of color it and put like a basic design on it, just as kind of like a preview of what you can do. Now, I have some of the layers locked just because, I don't know, because they're just not to be bothered or whatever, but I want to use the recolor feature on Adobe Illustrator, which just kind of makes it easier to color in certain parts of the object. But the funny thing is that when you select it and then you click recolor, it's gonna kind of make the details look really funny. So what I'm doing here is I just duplicated it and I'm removing a lot of stuff so that it doesn't end up being kind of warped. Now, as you see, I have selected both sides of the new one that I removed the details from, and I'm proceeding to use recolor now to just color it in. I'm picking random colors. I'm pretty sure there's probably a better way to like reduplicate colors. As you see, I'm like having to come back and put certain colors in certain places that I missed. And this is very basic, just literally a demonstration of like the mock-up more than anything. And I always forget to like record me actually making the mock-up itself. Now I'm just gonna put like a cute little logo on there. Like my thing is called Oasis Digital, so I'm just using Oasis. Here we go. I don't know if I want to put it down there. Just let's just make it big. Cool. Um, Pink. And give it like a little outline. No, actually, you know what we can do? We can make this 3D. Kind of like puff print. I guess it doesn't really hit the same when it's like a puff print on a flat mock-up, but we're gonna see what it looks like anyway. So I'm just using like the leather color, and I'm gonna try to go back and find the color code for this pink real quick. Pretty sure I'm doing things pretty backwards, but here we are. We got the pink now, so it doesn't really look as leathery as I'd like it to look, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this. Just wanted to deflate it a bit so it's not too poofy looking. And then there we go. I was trying to edit the stroke to see if it made a difference, but when you put it into 3D, it doesn't. So just kind of took it down a bit. And that's the finished product, but now I'm just basically taking the detailing from the other one and placing it on top of the newly created one. And I'm basically just going to delete the parts I don't need. So just ungrouping, just to make it easier. I'm just deleting that background and the things that are overlapping so I get those details back, like the folds and whatnot. I came back and looked at it and I was like, it's kind of boring. So I threw some stars on there. I forgot to record the part where I was actually putting the stars on there. And now I'm like, okay, let's change the colors around a bit just because it's boring. Some of these colors do not match. I'm definitely not doing a good job with the palette. Yeah, it's ugly. Let's just undo. Whatever. Here you go. This is what it looks like. It's cute. It's basic. But there's the mock-up.